Mr. Falcone is an expert rapper from the math department, and from the main office, Mrs. Mars is also an expert rapper.
I thought he was talking about singing.
Yeah, I know.
I have a sleepover party game. It looks pretty square. I'm putting it such that it's about, that the edge of the paper goes about a little more than halfway up the back of this gift, to the bottom of this gift. I'm gonna take this piece,
No pressure.
and I'm gonna fold it over, keep it once there. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, and then I'm gonna take this side, the rest of this paper, and I'm gonna fold it over in such a way that I know that it's gonna cover the back.
Yeah.
All right, so it's gonna sort of overlap this side. All right, and I'm just gonna make a little slice here. Whoop, that was horrible.
No, that's good.
Okay, and then I'm gonna bring this back, and I'm gonna just slice right up. I'm going to turn this so that I can now cut the paper, sort of cut this excess off.
Because we don't want to waste paper.
And it just so happened that the size of the gift allowed us to, when we cut the excess off the top, there was enough to cover the next gift.
Going to use tape here and tape here. Okay?
Yeah.
Then I'm just going to do this, eyeball it. I know about how much paper was here, so I'm going to eyeball it, how much paper was here. Now, normally what I would do is I would measure just like Mr. Falcone did, so that I'm not wasting all this extra paper, but because it's an odd shaped thing, I don't want to do that because I want it to cover all the way around. There we go. Tape here. And then we're going to fold in. I'm going to cut off a little bit of the excess because it's not much.
Oh, yeah.
A little bit. And then fold this under. And then tape it in both corners. The odd shaped ones are a little bit harder to wrap. Again, I'm gonna fold in. This one doesn't have as much excess. I'm gonna fold it up, and I'm gonna do this.
French tuck. Okay, so now I'm going to, I guess it's called a French tuck. I'm gonna push this in, push this side in, and what is
Crease.
that called? Crease. Thank you, Jen. And I'm going to do the other side as well. And crease. And I'm going to do this up here and crease. Bring that up and then tape across.
And you put peace right on top. You said
Yeah,
that
look at
before
that.
we started filming. You said I wanted to
Peace,
say
look
peace.
at that.
Oh,
Look at that.
Oh, I didn't.
Right across the top.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Good.
Always
Well done.
remember to wrap your biggest gifts first, so that when you have these little ones left, you can use your scrap paper to wrap the little ones. So always wrap your big gifts first and head to your little gifts.
There's going to be labels too, so make sure you put the name. It will say on the form in the bag which child is getting which gift, so make sure that you label your gifts, and then that way it's a surprise. You can wonder, is this a baseball? Is this a basketball? Okay, so thank you so much for the demonstration. Thank you, Mr. Falcone.
Thank you for
Mrs.
doing this.
Mars. Thank you for helping us.
Thank you, boys.
You're welcome.
Merry
Good luck.
Christmas.